Today we'll show you a couple of different ways on how we thread the machines here in the service department. You want to bring the thread up over the loop, and for threads that come off the cone counterclockwise like glide, we like to put either a piece of fabric or a piece of batting in there to help stabilize the thread as it comes up and off. Millie and Freddie have a thread break detector attached to them. The first 3-hole thread guide will go in through the bottom, around in through the middle, and around in through the top, going underneath the thread break wheel and around. A second way to thread that first 3-hole thread guide is to weave it, going in through the bottom hole, right back out through the middle, and out the top. Also going around the thread break wheel. Since we have our resistance at the first 3-hole thread guide, we are going to go up through the first hole, skip the middle hole, and come down through the last hole on our second 3-hole thread guide. Next, we go around the tension control, making sure that the thread is in between the 2 big discs, over the check spring. Now we take the thread underneath the silver hook and go up through the take-up lever. For Millie, Freddie, and Lucy, they will have a pigtail right here. We go around the pigtail. We go around the last pigtail above the needle. As you thread the needle, make sure you're going from front to back. For machines that do not have a thread break detector, we're just going to go from back to front through the top hole. We're going to add our resistance at the second 3-hole thread guide by spiraling it, going up and around, up and around, up and around. A second way of threading the 3-hole thread guide above the tension control now is to do a running stitch by going up, down, up. Again, going around the tension control, making sure to pull the thread forward towards the front of the machine, over the check spring, underneath that silver shepherd's hook, up through the take-up lever, down through the last 2 pigtail thread guides. Some Lennies will have a 3-hole thread guide after the take-up lever. The thread comes straight down and through the hole that's farthest to the front. It's just keeping it away from the side of the machine. If you have a machine that has an external thread break detector, you will add your resistance at the first 3-hole thread guide, either spiraling or weaving, and then going up and around the black wheel.